There's no shortage of measuring tools in my toolbox, and I'm going to show you a few of my favorites and what I like to use each one for. Magnetic height gauge. I use this tool to set precise heights at the router table and table saw. Combination square. The combination square is great for marking parallel lines to an edge, laying out 45-degree miters, and marking perpendicular lines to an edge. Magnetic level box is very handy for setting precise angles on your saw blades. Ruler. This 12-inch ruler, which starts at 0, is really helpful for measuring small things such as this hinge. Caliper. Calipers are great for measuring precise thicknesses, hole diameters, and even depths of holes and grooves. Angled ruler. The angled ruler is great for setting and marking out unique angles on tools and workpieces. Tape measure. One of the most used tools in the shop, great for measuring short distances or long distances. And if your shop is anything like mine, you're probably going to want a couple because you might leave one at the table saw.